Hey guys, this is 𝐓𝐚𝐧𝐤 with another tutorial whether how you can add moderators on your subreddit. Well, when your community reaches to a point where it becomes a bit difficult for you to manage it alone, it's a good idea to make someone a moderator to look after the community when you are not available. So to make someone a moderator, go to Mod Tools and select User Management. Here, go to Moderators and click on Invite User as Mod. Here, write the username or handle of the person you want to make a mod, and then you can just authorize whether what he can do as a moderator. And then click on Invite. And here you can see that he's been invited as a moderator. And you sure can delete the invitation if you want. And when you go to your subreddit page, here you can see that he didn't accept the invitation yet. And this is the invitation email he received. And when he goes to his Reddit page and open this message, it will ask him to accept or decline the invitation. So just click on Accept, and he will be led to your subreddit mod page where he can manage what you have authorized him to do. And Reddit will not only inform him about the invitation acceptance, but also you can see him in the moderator section. And this is how you can add moderators on your subreddit. And if you have stayed this far, please consider supporting by liking, subscribing, and sharing your thoughts in the comment section. And I hope this will be helpful for someone out there. And thanks for watching.